Hello and welcome everyone. Today in this video we're going to show you how you can easily deploy an application to Netlify. And to do this I have already an application that I previously built using React with Redux toolkit. And if you want, there's an entire video tutorial for this application that I created and which I did upload on the YouTube. The link is on description, so you can check it out if you want. Now let's deploy the application to Netlify. To do this, currently I'm right in my project directory, and here I'm going to open a new terminal, and let's open it using Visual Studio Code. Now the application is open in the Visual Studio Code. So this is I created this application using Vite project. So let's open, let's see what's in the package.json. So if you take a look, you can run a command npm run build. So this way you can build and compile everything on the application. So let's run this command here. So I'm going to open a terminal here, and here let's run npm run build. So what this is going to do, this it looks like it created a dist folder in here. So this is basically compiled folder. Everything gets compiled in that folder. Now let's head over to let's go to netlify.com website, and here let's log in. Uh, if you don't have an account netlify.com, just create an account, and it's very easy. And I'm going to log in using my credential here. And here, so once you logged in, you will see the screen like this. And on the drop down zone, you will see a feature like this in here. And here what I'm going to do, actually I'm just going to drag and drop my dist folder in here. So to do this, so there should be a dist folder. Let's just refresh it, and now I have a dist folder in here. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to drag that over in here. uh, Looks like, yeah, deploy success. Now let's click on get started. Now we can see I have new sites in here, so let's click on it. So here is the actual domain, and if I click on it, I'm going to be directed the application that I deployed. So yeah, that is the application that I deployed. So everything should work. Yep, seems like everything is working. And now I'm just going to update my, as you can see here, the domain. So let's just update this domain here. To do this, I'm going to click on site configuration, and from here I'm going to change the site name as, let's call it simple card YouTube, and hit save. So now the application, you see the domain name change. If I click on it here, now I have a domain like this. So yeah, this is what I actually wanted to show in this video. So you hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, thanks for watching.